Veronica Lux lived in a small town in northern Maine. She had no idea her grandfather was a werewolf. Years ago, when she came of age, he gave her an antique silver necklace and made her vow never to take it off. He made it seem like her life depended on it, so she kept that promise until she lost it at Mardi Gras. With it gone, inexplicably, she is compelled to get a wolf tattoo like her grandfather's, except hers has two wolves. Now she has the mark of the wolf, and with the silver necklace that had been shielding her gone, the hidden world of werewolves is revealed, and her destined mate, an incredibly sexy alpha wolf, Slade Paradis, a tall, hard-bodied man with close-cropped black hair and eyes as blue as a glacier, comes for her. Her tattoo of two wolves complicates things. Another wolf claims she is his. This equally gorgeous guy, Rafe Legrand, challenges Slade. Veronica is powerfully drawn to them both. When she discovers that both of these alpha wolves have the same tattoo as hers, Veronica gets pulled into something she isn't prepared to face. Who this other wolf really is shocks them all, and it gets harder to resist the powerful draw both have on her as her inner wolf begins to emerge. As she finds her true self and true love, life begins for the girl with the werewolf tattoo. An erotic paranormal romance by Alexia Angelica Wells. How can I be werewolves? How can this be real? I can't be a wolf. How can I love them both? How can I love them both? How can this be real? How can I be a wolf? How can I love them both? How can I love them both?